Okay guys, in this video I'm going to do a sound comparison of these Revere rods in a standard Revere bass. Then I'm going to do them in a grandfather clock bass just to show you how different they can sound. So first I'm going to do them in the Revere bass, and let's hope my phone doesn't fall, which this can be fun to set it like that. Okay, let me get close to the mic here. Now I will switch them to the grandfather clock bass. I got to set my phone down, so just bear with me. Yes, I know you're not going to be seeing anything. I know this is about as primitive as you can get, but you get the idea. So, while in the meantime of me doing this, let me just talk to you guys a little bit. So, what y'all been up to? Collecting, got any new clocks or anything? Or anything like that? If you have, let me know what they are, or let me know what you're looking for. I'd like to get me a nice Malta Bim Bam mantel clock. I've been wanting one of those, but they're usually out of my price range for some reason. These crazy collectors seem to think that they're made of gold when they aren't. Get me wrong, they're great clocks, but not $300 great. No offense. A collector can forget that. Anyway, and also, I've been also wanting a triple chime wall clock. One came up on eBay a while back for a great deal of $30 plus shipping, or 40s, or whatever. No, it was ridiculously cheap, but I unfortunately couldn't get that. But okay, there's more of them out there, so I'm not too worried about it. No sense to me, doesn't help anything. And I'm putting the last rod in now, guys, so just bear with me a little bit longer. Okay, now I will show you what they sound like in the grandfather clock bass. And that's what they sound like in that. As you can tell, they resonate a whole lot longer. And there goes my General Electric power Revere in the background, and the rods are coincidentally tuned the same. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and sorry about the moments of when you weren't seeing much of anything, but I said it's kind of primitive. Anyway, like I said, leave any questions, comments in the comment section below, and I'll see y'all later.